Good afternoon. We have with us Mr. A.Y. Sundkar, Director, National Safety Council. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What's new which is happening at National Safety Council?
Particularly, there is a new thing happening in the lot of new things happening in the. Particularly, I want to highlight as regards our chemical industry, and that too very hazardous chemical industries are concerned. We are developed a new training course for the new recruits in the oil sector, oil and gas industry sector, working those who are very junior level. For them, we have devised a 48 weeks training course on safety management. It will be dual mode. It is not only physically mode. There would be 3 days conducted training sessions by the expert in the field, and online trainings, number of online training section by the experts, along with the assignments will be given to the candidates where they are working. They have to do that assignment, and that assignment will be assessed by the expert. And on last day, after the training program is over, we will conduct a physical examinations of that candidates, and certificates will be issued, so that these candidates are capable to work in any hazardous industry. That is the objective we have taken in mind and running this course.
You are also doing a expo in Delhi.
Yes. Uh, National Safety Council's objective is to promote safety at national level, bring various case studies, and share the good practices among the Indian industry. As a part of this activity, we are organizing one international conference along with Expo at India International Convention Center, that is called as Yashobhumi, at Dwarka, New Delhi, from 26th to 28th November 2025. We are expecting around 1,000 delegates from India as well as Asia Pacific region. There would be 60 presentations which will be given by the expert in the field, and around 10 to 20 will be from the Asia Pacific and international level, like United Nations Environment Program, International Labour Organizations, ISSA, DGUB Germany. Like that, there would be presentations.
And do you also come up with case studies on disaster management related to chemical and petrochemical sector?
Yes, because National Safety Council is operating a NACI Safety Award scheme at the national level, and this scheme is operating in between four sectors: manufacturing, construction, MSME, and service sectors. Uh, the awards are normally given in the month of January of the next year, and this award is for whole year program. We invite applications from the industries, and around 700 applications we received in the manufacturing sector. Out of these, sector wise, we give the awards, that is oil and gas industry, engineering industry, chemical industry, then food and drugs industry. Like that, there are 6 groups, and those who are the top winners, that is a gold winners, their case studies will compiled and published in our quarterly publication called Industrial Safety Chronicle. That's why we are promoting this safety and good case studies among the Indian industries.